Hi. The most common problem in calculating relative rates and FX positioning mostly derives from the unavoidable bias. The main reasons originate from the transparency of the funds, as some of them publish only top 10 or top 20 market allocations rather than full list of holdings, while others don't release any report on their portfolio structure. Hence, we are able to use only the first category in our samples. Now, let's suppose that we use only 5 fund fact sheets, and each of them reports top 10 allocations only, the gray area of the table basically. If you take a look at country 2, it's shown in 4 of them, and it's positioned high usually, except in the portfolio of fund 2. That one allocated only 2% in the country, and it's not enough to put the country top 10. So basically, that allocation is not visible to us and won't be taken into consideration while calculating the average for that country. So this small table here shows actually the difference between the averages if we use only what's visible or if we use everything. But we can't use, unfortunately, this because it's not visible just in the fact sheets. So the difference is obvious here, is the same for country 3. And if we suppose that we have like 6 times more fact sheets, those cases will be more frequent, and the sum will naturally exceed country percentage because we omit those allocations that would pull the average backwards, down basically. So in order to mitigate the potential mislead caused by the overrepresented countries in the fact sheets, mostly those countries with high benchmark weights, we tried to calculate so-called adjusted average allocations that would sum up to 100%, basically all the index constituents. The method consists of, let's call it, compression of the average allocations, and it's done by recalculating the upward biased allocations so they all aggregated fit in 100%. And that way we try to construct an average portfolio for a certain month, August, for example, as the most recently released.